This is the hill in my subdivision. See if I can make it. A lot of cars couldn't make this, but you know, good having a Jeep. These people, I guess we walk into the store. No problemo. It's gonna be horrible. It's tonight. All this ice is back up. It's supposed to drop down to the teens. All this ice back up. It's horrible in line. So if I don't have any work again, it's Tuesday and been out of work since Monday and Tuesday. So you can see the roads in my subdivision are just freaking horrible. If I didn't have this Jeep, I can only imagine trying to get through this without a Jeep. Alright, talk to you later.